All right, welcome to the video. Right now, I'm going to share with you some extra information that I forgot to mention in previous videos. The first one is to how to check the completed tasks. Doesn't matter if it's a homework or a study material or project, anything. So if there is any submission, you will see from here, submit one, right? So Tina from the group has submitted a homework. So what we can do here is go to task. There will be a little one showing up here, and then we go to review. So from here, we will see Tina, shall we say, sorry, Judy. Judy has done her homework, and she used the attachment to put here. So what we can do is to open it, to check the homework, right? And then if you need to download it. And then and once you complete it, you can write down your comments, right? And then you can put it as an excellent work. If you take this, this homework will be shown to the rest of the class. For example, if there are 4 students in the class, if you make this as an excellent work, the rest of the class, the rest 3 students will be able to watch this. They will get notification and to see this as an example, good example. On contrast, if you think this homework is not good enough, you can ask the student, return this homework back to student and ask him to correct it or ask him to redo it. Yeah. So here I'm going to select this as good work because there's no rating because we didn't set up the rating method. But if there is a rating method set up, there is a place for it to adjust the rating you want to give to the student. For example, like 8 out of 10 or 90 out of 100, right? So once this is done, you write all the comments and then you can click done. You can click confirm, and then this has been reviewed. Yeah. So here you can, if you want to do another review, you can click re-review. You will go back to the edit whatever you input. Okay, so this is how to go to this how to like mark or review the tasks that you assign to the students. Okay, so now we are going to go back to the temporary classroom. So I'm going to enter the classroom. And all right, so here I have one thing to add, which is when we are sharing the desktop like this, please make sure that you tick this box, share sound. Otherwise, you're not able to share any sound from your computer if you play any video or audio file. For example, right now I am sharing this video. I'm going to click sharing, and then I'm going to play it. So if this box is ticked, then the student will be able to hear the sound of the video. Otherwise, there'll be no sound, everything's muted. And also another thing is make sure you put the video inside the green box so that the student can see whatever you want to share with them. Okay, so that is about the screen sharing again. Okay. Okay, and another thing is when you're sharing the video like this, make sure that you ask your student if they can hear you well, because sometimes this video sound is going to cover your voice and your voice become unnoticeable. So if it is necessary, lower the volume of the playback like this, or you need to speak up a little bit. Okay, so this is something you want to pay attention to. Okay, so that's pretty much everything we'd like to share with you. Hopefully you learn a lot from our video, and let us know if you want to learn something else. Okay, thank you. Talk to you soon. Bye bye. All right.